Part 4 of my DIY pumpkin head. After all the paint has dried, I'm now going to do a traditional jack-o'-lantern style with the little triangle cutouts and then the face on this one. And I was being really, really gentle with this because I really didn't want to break this. I used 3 layers. The more layers, the better on these because it makes it stiffer. But I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife and poke the face out. And then I'm going to give him a little stem made of this paper that you get from Amazon packages and some wire. So I did poke the wire through the top, and then I'm going to just twist this to make his little brown stem, which I think is super cute. I'm not sure if the stem actually should have been green, but again, this is Amazon thrifted paper, so this thing is mostly full of trash with the exception of the wire that I found. Although you could use a coat hanger that you get from I don't know where, and then that would be complete trash. And now I'm going to put it on, and now I have a pumpkin head. The end.